the study of the skin, its nature, structure, and diseases. Trichology, dermatology, myology, osteology. B. Dermatology. The largest organ of the human body is the liver, lungs, skin, brain. C. Skin. The outermost and thinnest layer of the skin is the dermis, epidermis, subcutaneous, adipose. B. Epidermis. The horny layer of the epidermis that we see. Stratum lucidum, stratum corneum, stratum germinativum, dermis. B. Stratum corneum. The layer of skin responsible for the growth of the epidermis. Stratum lucidum, stratum corneum, stratum germinativum, papillary layer. C. Stratum germinativum. The inner layer of skin, also known as the true skin. Epidermis, dermis, cuticle, stratum granulosum. B. Dermis. Tiny grains of pigment that give skin its color. Melanin, sebum, keratin, collagen. A. Melanin. Fibrous protein that gives skin form and strength. Elastin, collagen, keratin, melanin. B. Collagen. Glands that regulate body temperature and detoxify. Sebaceous, sudoriferous, sweat, endocrine, adrenal. B. Sudoriferous. Glands that secrete oil, sebum, to lubricate the skin. Sudoriferous, sebaceous, pituitary, thyroid. B. Sebaceous. A small elevation on the skin that contains no fluid. Pustule, papule, bulla, vesicle. B. Papule. An inflamed papule with a white or yellow center containing pus. Vesicle, pustule, macule, wheal. B. Pustule. A small discolored spot or patch on the skin, like a freckle. Macule, papullae, pustule, tumor. A. Macule. An itchy, swollen lesion that lasts only a few hours. Cyst, wheal, ulcer, fissure. B. Wheal. A small blister or sac containing clear fluid. Pustule, vesicle, bulla, macule. B. Vesicle. A crack in the skin that penetrates the dermis, like chapped lips. Scale, crust, fissure, excoriation. C. Fissure. An open lesion on the skin accompanied by pus and loss of skin depth. Ulcer, scar, keloid, stain. A. Ulcer. Technical term for blackheads, clogged sebum. Melia, comedones, acne, rosacea. B. Comedones. Small whitish pearl-like masses under the skin with no visible opening. Comedones, melia, acne, seborrhea. B. Melia. A skin condition caused by inflammation of the sebaceous glands. Eczema, acne, psoriasis, herpes. B. Acne. A chronic condition characterized by redness on the cheeks and nose. Acne, rosacea. Albinism, vitiligo. B. Rosacea. Excessive sweating caused by heat or general body weakness. Anhidrosis, bromhidrosis, hyperhidrosis, miliaria rubra. C. Hyperhidrosis. Foul-smelling perspiration, usually noticeable in the armpits or feet. Anhidrosis, bromhidrosis, hyperhidrosis, prickly heat. B. Bromhidrosis. An inflammatory, uncomfortable, and often chronic disease of the skin. Lentigines, eczema, chloasma, nevus. B. Eczema. Recurring viral infection that often presents as a fever blister. Eczema, psoriasis, herpes simplex, impetigo. C. Herpes simplex. Red patches covered with silver-white scales. Eczema, rosacea, psoriasis, vitiligo. C. Psoriasis. Congenital hypopigmentation, absence of melanin in the body. Albinism, vitiligo, chloasma, nevus. A. Albinism. Condition characterized by milky white patches of skin. Albinism, vitiligo, lentigines, stain. B. Vitiligo. Technical term for a birthmark? Cloasma, nevus, lentigenes, verruca. B. Nevus. An abnormal brown or wine-colored skin discoloration? Stain, freckle, scar, keloid. A. Stain. Technical term for a wart? Nevus, verruca, keratoma, mole. B. Verruca. The most common and least severe type of skin cancer? Squamous cell, basal cell carcinoma, melanoma, keratoma. B. Basal cell carcinoma. The most serious and deadly form of skin cancer? Basal cell, squamous cell, malignant melanoma, verruca. C. Malignant melanoma. What is the main food source for acne bacteria? Oxygen, fatty acids, sebum, water, sugar. B. Fatty acids. Skin aging caused by sun exposure is called intrinsic aging, extrinsic aging, natural aging, internal aging. B. Extrinsic aging. The most stimulating massage movement? Effleurage, petrissage, tapotement, percussion, friction. C. Tapotement. A massage movement that uses deep rubbing? Effleurage, friction, vibration, petrissage. B. Friction. Massage should never be performed on a client with dry skin, oily skin, high blood pressure or heart issues, a beard. C. High BP/heart issues. An electrotherapy device used to stimulate the skin? Steamer, high-frequency machine, towel warmer, clipper. B. High-frequency machine. A product used to remove dead skin cells from the surface? Moisturizer, exfoliant, cleanser, toner. B. Exfoliant. A clay-based mask is best suited for dry skin, oily, or combination skin, aging skin, sensitive skin. B. Oily combination. A paraffin wax mask is used to dry out oil, traps moisture/heat in skin, exfoliate, color the skin. B. Traps moisture. When using a steamer, it should be placed how far from the face? 2 inches, 12 inches, 24 inches, 3 feet. B. 12 inches. Which type of light is used to soften the skin before a facial? Infrared, ultraviolet, blue light, green light. A. Infrared. An itchy swollen lesion like a mosquito bite is a papule, wheal, pustule, vesicle. B. Wheal. A large blister containing a watery fluid, macule, bulla, tumor, cyst. B. Bulla. What does the C in the ABCDE cancer checklist stand for? Color, cut, circle, clear. A. Color. A hair follicle filled with keratin and sebum is a pimple, comedo, milia, wart. B. Comedo. Massaging the motor point of a muscle causes pain, relaxation/contraction, bruising, hair growth. B. Relaxation/contraction. The origin of a muscle is the part that is moving, fixed, in the middle, on the bone only. B. Fixed. Which current is used for its germicidal effects? Galvanic, Tesla high frequency, Faradic, sinusoidal. B. Tesla high frequency,